Are you about to start nursing school, or maybe already deep in the struggle? Long nights, endless exams, clinical shifts, and sometimes tears. Don't worry, I've been there. Today I'm sharing the best survival tips that will help you not only get through nursing school, but come out thriving. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nurse Mamliho, and here on Everything Nursing Simplified, we talk about things nursing, healthcare, real life experiences from the front lines. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on more tips to keep you motivated on your nursing journey. I have 7 tips to give you on your nursing journey. Number 1 will be the main important one is time management, which is everything in nursing. Nursing school is fast paced and overwhelming, and this is not to discourage you. Use a planner, a digital calendar, or even sticky notes to stay on top of the lectures, assignments, and clinicals. Break your study sessions into chunks. Promote style that can work wonders for you. The second tip is to find your study methods early. Use flashcards, study groups, practice questions, or revision lectures. Or you can record your lectures. Nursing exams can often test critical thinking, not just memorization. The third one is self-care is non-negotiable. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritize sleep, eat well, stay hydrated, and squeeze in exercise. Even short walks help clear your mind. Burnout is real in nursing school, so don't wait until you're drained to take care of yourself. The fourth tip is build your support team. Find friends in your class, join study groups, and don't be afraid to learn from family. Networking with fellow nursing students makes the journey easier and sometimes even fun. Tip number 5, ask questions and use your resources. Professors, clinical instructors, and senior students can all be guides. There is no shame in asking. Remember, you are there to learn. On the 6th tip, embrace failure as part of the process. Not every test will go perfectly well, and not every skill will be mastered on the first day. Instead of beating yourself up, use setbacks as a chance to grow. Every nurse has been there. The 7th tip, remember you are wise. On the hardest days, remind yourself why you chose nursing. Whether it's a passion, stability, or making a difference, keeping your why in front of you will keep you going. So, nursing school is tough, but you are tougher. With good time management, the right mindset, and self-care, you'll make it through. Trust me. Every all-nighter, every early mornings, and every challenge is worth it when you finally wear that badge as a nurse. If you find these tips helpful, hit the like button, share with your fellow nursing students, and drop a comment with your own survival tips. And of course, Don't forget to subscribe for more nursing school advice and real life stories. See you in the next video.